Hello teachers and educators. We have seen in last couple of tutorials that how to run the quiz in clicker mode. You see this here, enable clicker mode. If you enable this and launch it, then it runs in clicker mode. We also saw how to split or create the teams depending on the size of clicker team size. Clicker team basically the number of clickers this particular school buys and number of students present in the classroom. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to run this quiz event in offline mode, completely offline mode. What it means, let's say in the classroom, if there is no internet present in the classroom and teacher wants to use clickers in the classroom without needing any internet connection there. So what teacher can do basically, download this particular quiz from the online platform, from this browser on the local laptop, and then run this quiz from the local laptop instead of running it from the browser, so that it does not need internet at all. And then when teacher finds the internet at home or at in the office, connect the internet and then upload the results. So all the results will be present, even if the clicker this quiz event was run in the offline mode. Once you upload the results, all will be same as results will be same as online mode. So I'm going to quickly launch this in clicker mode. Make sure that this is enabled. So launch it. So if there is a video, it will run. So just skip the video and make sure that this message comes up. That means it is running in the clicker mode. Now you just run the application, clicker application, double click and put your username, same username as you are using on online platform. Put the same password. And log in. And I have my USB connection, USB and RF receiver connected, but there is no need to connect the receiver at this point because we are just downloading this particular quiz. So while this message is popping up, although it is telling you to click on begin quiz, to download the quiz you just simply click on download button. So I'm just going to download this particular quiz, and it takes like few seconds. It's very fast to download the quiz. So now download is complete. I'm just going to click here and minimize this particular browser and close this application. Now go in the classroom where there is no internet. Okay, so start the application again, put your same username and click or enable this work offline mode. Then there it shows pull down menu. Select the space science quiz 1 which we just downloaded and click on login button. Now make sure that USB your RF receiver which is called base station is connected to the laptop. That's why you are seeing this green message, and just click on begin quiz. Make sure you have the clickers ready to answer the quizzes. So I'm going to just enable these 4 clickers. So I'm just going to start these clickers. I'm going to answer this question randomly. And because this is not at all going to the internet, basically it is very fast, so it moves from one question to second question in very fast in real time. Because this image is big, the question answer options are going down. Let's just scroll down. Answer. and this is the last question. And again, this is completely running offline. And this is your result. It says 4 students, total questions 4, total attempted 16, and total correct 8, total wrong 8, non-attempted 0. So this is offline result. Now it's time for you to upload this offline result to your online classroom, your own academy. Now, I mean, you don't need to upload it right away because you don't have internet. I mean, when you are running this quiz in offline mode, obviously you don't have internet. So you take your laptop, go to the office or go home, and restart this application in offline mode, and then click on this pull down menu. There is a down arrow key on your keyboard. So click down arrow key, and once you click that, it shows date and time when you attended this offline quiz. Select that particular date and time and just click on upload button. So upload button will basically upload all the results which are stored on your laptop to the server. And once the upload is done, this particular screen goes away, so you know that it is uploaded successfully. Alright, so the screen is gone. Now it is uploaded successfully. So I'm going to just go back to our browser and click on team result and see the latest top one, 3:34 p.m. So this is your offline result. You see this here, 4 students, 4 questions, 16 attempted, 8 correct, 8 wrong. And then you go here, analyze team result the same way you do it in online mode. So 3 people answered correct, 1 person answered it wrong, and so on. Do the same thing for all questions. Okay, and let's go back again and check the PDF report, clicker number by clicker number or student by student name. Here is a detailed PDF report, and this is the consolidated result for 4 members: logical, math, geometry, science, engineering process. These are the concept category, or we call topics, and this is the consolidated 50% result for all the students. And you can individually go and check. So for example, logical math, everybody answered it wrong. So why? We need to check whether we are explaining this correctly or not, this particular topic, right? So same thing, you can go back and check the result of individuals by clicker ID or name, and you can just figure out and pay individual attention to tell them, hey, your results are not good, so we want to understand what exactly is happening, why you are not understanding this. Give them more input, show some videos, figure out what are their strengths, and try to give them inputs via their strong medium, like whether they understand audio well or visual or reading, so you just figure that out for each individual student. And that's all. I think this is how you run any quiz in offline mode. We have seen online mode, offline mode, right, using clickers, and this is very important where internet is not available in the classroom. It's very cost effective using clickers in the classroom. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we will see more interesting things in the coming tutorials. Thank you.